Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare Muscletech Nitro versus Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard 100% Whey. We'll dive deep into their nutritional profiles, starting with the types and quantities of protein each offers. Then, we'll explore any extra ingredients that might give one an edge over the other. Finally, I'll help you understand which supplement is best suited for your specific fitness goals and dietary needs. Let's get started. When we look at the core ingredients, Muscletech Nitro typically provides 30 grams of protein per serving, often a blend of whey isolate and peptides. Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard 100% Whey usually delivers 24 grams of protein, primarily from whey isolate, concentrate, and peptides. A key difference is Nitrotech's inclusion of 3 grams of creatine and additional amino acids, which are designed to enhance muscle building and strength. Gold Standard focuses more on a pure whey protein blend. Considering their benefits, Nitrotech is often favored by those looking for maximum muscle growth and strength, thanks to its higher protein content and added creatine. It's excellent for post-workout recovery after very intense training sessions. Gold Standard 100% Whey, on the other hand, is a fantastic all-around protein for daily use, supporting muscle recovery and helping you meet your protein macros. It's a versatile choice for a wide range of fitness enthusiasts. Regarding cost and flavors, Gold Standard 100% Whey typically comes in a wider variety of flavors, making it easier to find one you love. Nitrotech, while also offering good flavors, might be a bit pricier per serving due to its specialized blend and added performance ingredients like creatine. Both are widely available, but consider your budget and taste preferences. Also, for other great deals and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.